Top comment from last week, show me the teeth or it's fake. Okay, at Deep Sea Skeptic. Here are 300 Megalodon teeth. Real ones, found by people just like you. 42% of you voted that Megalodon still swims in our oceans. Nearly half of our community believes a 60-foot shark with jaws that could swallow a small car is out there right now. And honestly, we get it. The ocean is vast, mysterious, and we've barely explored 5% of it. But here's what's incredible. We didn't need expensive expeditions or deep-sea submersibles to investigate this mystery. We used free fossil hunting apps, virtual dives, and the power of our community to uncover the truth. What we discovered will surprise you, validate some of your theories, and reveal something massive that is lurking 18 meters long in the abyss. You demanded proof. You challenged us to dig deeper. And that's exactly what we did, literally. We followed the fossil trail, examined the evidence with paleontologists, and dove into cutting-edge research that's rewriting what we thought we knew about prehistoric ocean giants. So, Dr. Pimiento's team actually used a fascinating technique called ecological niche modeling to test Megalodon's survival probability. This method lets scientists predict how a species might fare under different environmental conditions, both past and present. By combining fossil evidence with modern technology, they could simulate the world Megalodon once ruled and see if it could survive in today's oceans. They put current ocean temperatures, prey availability, and habitat requirements into these computer simulations. The team also factored in changes in sea levels, ocean currents, and the distribution of potential prey species. All these variables are crucial because Megalodon was a top predator that needed vast, warm waters and abundant food to thrive. The result? Well, it was 0% survival probability. The simulation showed that under current conditions, Megalodon simply couldn't find enough food or suitable habitat to survive. The cooling climate that caused their extinction, the same period that created our current ice age cycles, completely eliminated their warm water ecosystem. As the oceans cooled and polar ice expanded, Megalodon's hunting grounds shrank dramatically, leaving them with nowhere to go. We also took a look at every single Megalodon sighting video you've sent us over the years. From blurry shapes in the deep to mysterious shadows near boats, the internet is full of supposed evidence. Using marine biology expert analysis, we traced each claimed sighting. Our team broke down the footage frame by frame, looking for any signs that could point to a living Megalodon. And honestly, the results were always the same. Basking sharks, which can reach 40 feet, often mistaken for something much more monstrous due to their size and shape. Whale sharks, or just massive great whites filmed from, misleading angles, also made frequent appearances in these videos. Perspective can make even a large shark look absolutely gigantic. The largest confirmed great white deep blue measures 20 feet. Impressive, for sure, but nowhere near Megalodon's 60-foot length. So, while the legend lives on, the science tells a different story. So, what do you think about this evidence? Drop your theory below. Are you convinced? Or do you think we're missing something? The beauty of science is that it invites skepticism, and yeah, it demands proof. But hang on, we promised you something massive that is swimming down there. That revelation is about to change how you see our modern oceans forever. Here's what's absolutely mind-blowing. While Megalodon is extinct, the ocean still hides giants that rival the monsters of prehistory. The deep sea is a realm where evolution has taken some truly astonishing turns, and even today, we're only beginning to scratch the surface of what lurks below. Take the colossal squid, for example. This elusive creature can reach lengths of up to 18 meters, that's nearly 60 feet, putting it on par with the legendary Megalodon in sheer size. Its eyes are the largest of any animal on Earth, perfectly adapted to the pitch-black depths where it hunts. Or consider the giant tube worms that thrive near hydrothermal vents. These bizarre organisms can grow up to 8 feet long, surviving in complete darkness and feeding on chemicals spewing from the Earth's crust. A reminder that life finds a way in even the harshest environments. The Japanese spider crab is another marvel, with legs that can span an incredible 12 feet across. It's the largest arthropod on the planet, and its alien appearance is a testament to the ocean's endless creativity. According to a groundbreaking 2024 study from the Schmidt Ocean Institute, deep-sea exploration has revealed 30 new species this year alone. Each expedition uncovers life forms that challenge our understanding of biology and adaptation. Dr. Brennan Phillips, a leading deep-sea biologist, explains that we're living in a golden age of ocean discovery. With new technology, we're able to explore previously unreachable depths, revealing a hidden world teeming with surprises. Every deep-sea expedition uncovers creatures that seem impossible, like the Dumbo octopus, which flaps ear-like fins as it glides through the water, or the barrel-eye fish, whose transparent head lets it look upward through its own skull. These animals are living proof that the ocean is still full of mysteries. The extinction of Megalodon, as dramatic as it was, actually created new opportunities for life in the sea. When such a dominant predator vanished, it left a void that other species could fill. With these apex predators gone, modern marine ecosystems were able to evolve and diversify. New species emerged, and entire food webs shifted, allowing for the incredible variety of life we see today. Great white sharks, orcas, and sperm whales stepped in to fill the ecological niches left behind, each developing unique hunting strategies and behaviors to survive in a changed world. The biodiversity we see today, from tiny delicate seahorses to the massive blue whale, the largest animal ever to live, exists partly because Megalodon isn't competing for resources. The ocean's story is one of constant change, and its greatest secrets may still be waiting to be discovered. Here's the hopeful twist. Citizen scientists like you are driving new discoveries. Across the globe, everyday people are stepping up to help unravel the mysteries of our oceans. Whether you're a student, a teacher, a diver, or simply someone who loves the sea, your curiosity and passion are fueling a new era of exploration. The Naturalist app has helped identify over 150,000 marine species through public contributions. With just a smartphone, anyone can document marine life, upload photos, and connect with a global network of experts and enthusiasts. Each observation adds a valuable piece to the puzzle of ocean biodiversity. The eOceans project uses volunteer divers to map coral reef health globally. These divers collect vital data on coral bleaching, fish populations, and ecosystem changes, helping scientists track the health of reefs over time and across continents. Just last month, a recreational diver in the Philippines discovered a new nudibranch species using smartphone footage. This remarkable find shows how anyone, anywhere can make a real scientific impact, sometimes even from a casual dive or a family vacation. Ocean exploration technology is becoming democratized. Affordable underwater drones and remotely operated vehicles are now accessible to non-professionals, allowing more people to explore, document, and share their findings from beneath the waves. ROV, remotely operated vehicle footage, is now streaming live from research vessels worldwide. This means anyone with an internet connection can witness deep-sea discoveries as they happen, bringing the wonders of the ocean directly to your screen. The Ocean Exploration Trust broadcasts deep-sea dives in real time, and viewers regularly spot new organisms before scientists do. This collaborative approach is transforming how discoveries are made, inviting the public to be part of the scientific process. We can help solve ocean mysteries together. By sharing knowledge, observations, and enthusiasm, communities everywhere are making a difference in marine research and conservation. Every beachcombing expedition, every tide pool observation, every underwater photo you share contributes to marine science. Even small actions like uploading a photo or recording a sighting can lead to big discoveries and help protect our oceans for future generations. While Megalodon is gone, the age of ocean discovery is just beginning, and you're part of the expedition team making it happen. The future of marine science is in our hands, and together we're shaping a new chapter in the story of the sea. Ready for your mission? We've partnered with the Paleontological Research Institution to send you a real fossil hunting kit. Link in description gets you authentic sediment from fossil-rich formations worldwide. Sift through 5 million-year-old sand and find your own shark teeth, maybe even Megalodon ancestors. But here's the bigger challenge. Photograph any shark tooth you find and upload it to our community hashtag #VarnFossilHunt. We'll rate each discovery on our official Megalodon meter scale, and the best finds get featured in upcoming videos. At FossilHunter_Sarah, we're expecting big things from you. Want to join actual ocean research? The Shark Trust needs citizen scientists to report shark sightings worldwide through their app. Your observations help scientists track modern shark populations and understand ecosystem health. Next week's mystery comes directly from your comments. What extinct sea beast do you secretly hope is alive? The winner was absolutely insane. The Leviathan whale, a 60-foot predator with teeth bigger than bananas that hunted other whales. We're investigating whether anything like it could exist in deep ocean trenches. Vote in our community post. Which impossible creature should we investigate next? Ring that notification bell. We're diving deeper into mysteries you choose. Every comment, every theory, every wild idea fuels our next expedition into the unknown.